Come on. Come on, you could do this. Trapped. I don't have any food. I don't have water. I'm gonna tag Zack. I'm gonna save you. Ugh. AJ, I'm so glad you're okay. I'm right here. I'm right here. He took Sapphire. We have to go chase him. To give me the star. It's our only option. We have to. He's activated a weapon that's gonna destroy the city, and including us. We have to do something about it. He's headed to Brooklyn Bridge. I could tell. Hop on my back. This is gonna get bumpy. Lightningvolt, Lightningvolt, Lightningvolt.
He seems to have come out of nowhere to answer the prayers of the city, just when all hope seemed to be lost.
Get the crowd out of the way. I'll deal with him. Are you okay? Don't worry. I'm gonna fix all of this, and all of this will go back to normal, I promise. Okay, Dawson, wanna play? Let's play! Take this. Sure. Yeah. Don't worry, Sapphire. I got you. The battle's getting too intense. We have to leave.
You ready to give up?
Eat this. Watch the city burn, and this will be less painful. Never. So, older brother, you find me superior. What do you mean, brother? I've been created 50 years before you and me. I am the ultimate life form. I am the ultimate god. I am Project Luke.